Your Holiness, my name is Claire, and I actually don't even live in Indiana. I flew in last night to visit my parents. My dad's in the audience, but I grew up in Indiana and graduated from Indiana University School of Medicine in '98 and left. But I live in Orlando, and you know that we've been through a lot of hurt in the last 2 weeks, and we had the mass shooting. So there's so much hurt in our town, in our world, and I just wanted to know if you could give a message to the people of Orlando and everything that they've been going through.
Yes. I expressed to your President Obama when I heard that. And then, now, there's no other way, just
Pray.
express my condolence and prayer. So those, the relatives who remain, or friends who remain, now, instead of worry, sadness, I think they must think how to change that kind of sort of
Culture now.
that kind of sort of
Society.
So as I already mentioned, you see, we have to individual, you see, we cannot sort of blame those individuals who involve criminal work. So they grown up a society where not much talk about this inner value. I feel, see, ultimately blame or criticism should go our sort of education system or our sort of way of life, too much materialistic way of life. So that, I think, have the responsibility. So we have to think how to change that step by step. So I want to share.
If one can turn the tragic situation into an opportunity to really awaken something, that would be really wonderful.
And bring more enthusiasm, more determination. For example, when my tutor, main tutor, till he alive, I always feel something,
A
solid rock I can lean. When he passed away, that no longer. So a lot of worry, a lot of sadness. But then, now no use sadness. I must determine to fulfill my late tutor's wish. He very much loved me. So I must fulfill, his sort of wish. So the sadness event translate for determination. So those people, I want to share that.
Thank you. I also have one other quick question. I wanted to know if I could take a selfie. You don't even have to move. I want to take a photo.
Okay.
Thank you.